That's right, guys. It was a good day out here at O'Neill Forebay. Pretty fun. Biggest action was on the Megabass 110+1. Pretty good fun. Nick was killing it on the flukes. Just trying to do what we can do out here, having some good times. All right, if you can, please like and subscribe. I appreciate the support. The chase is on. Boom. Got it? All right. Here, got on one. You need a net. Oh. Hold it. First fish is Jarek. Is it a keeper though? Is it a keeper? Bring it. Ah. All right. Get him out there. Look at that. Look at that. Like in the weeds, they're near the bottom and they're coming up, but I don't see them right now. They moved. We went over them. They moved. Jake's on number 2. Oh, get it. Oh, it's another dink. Another small one. Still good though. Look at that. Man. So it's pretty windy. You can see. Trying to make it so we can cast and run along this wall. Just to make sure no one falls off the boat, dude. This is nuts. Hard for the fish and look at the lifespan and just keep us at a good tempo. Quite difficult when it's this windy and the wind blowing up against these rocks. But I just feel that that these rocks are where they're at. You know, all these waves are bushing up, pushing all the big fish, pushing all the bugs and everything up here. They would be here, ready to ambush these guys. Nick, what? Nick got one? All right. Pick it up. Dink number 3. Fluke. Look at that. Off the fluke. Off the fluke. Came off. Whoa. All right, he's on the fluke. Fluke has got it. Look at this. Take your time with it, man. You don't have to rush it up. Another small one. The same one. Look at that. Dude's hungry. Now this is bigger. You're stepping up. Get 2 flukes, 2 cranks, 2. Me 0, that's how it goes. That's what Captain does, right? Making excuses. All right, show camera. Goodbye, fish. All right. Got it? Look at that. Luke, good one. Keeper? Oh, the back. What the hell? Huh? Yeah? Dude, he's killing the fluke. Ah! Striper! Look at that! I think my flukes are too big.
Yeah.
This is the Magnum fluke. Woo! Look at that! Alright, so choosing a different spot, it's been hard to stay up against those rocks, man. It's blowing at us, so we just had to pick spots. These guys can still pick them off. So we come out to an area like that's flat, kind of a ledge, to see if we can stay on that thing and not have to worry too much about running into rocks. So there we go. Try this. All right, there we go. Oh shoot, I'm falling. Oh, I get it. Yes, the keeper that fell right off, dude. Oh, yep. Woo! Oh, hold that keeper up. Look at that. That's the keeper for sure. Look at that, huh? Yeah. Let me. Go. Yeah, Jared. Yeah. Woohoo! Finally, huh? Okay, you took it all, Jared. Or leave some line. Woo, this guy's fighting good, but I hope he's a keeper. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Oh, not yet, huh? Oh, oh shoot. I can't. There we go. Man, this mega bass is going to come off. Oh, shoot. Wait. Here it comes. Wait. All right, there you go. All right. Yeah. Woo. All right. Oh, he came right there. Got it. Still got it. Ah, Joe. Woo.
That's a big one.
Did you see, guys see that? I dropped it back in the water. He came back and got it. Barely got it. Get the net. Barely got it. Oh my goodness. I don't. And then I was like, oh my God, he came right there. He came right back and got it. Okay, shit. Barely got him. Barely got him. All right, let him go. Let him go. Just tie him out. Here you go, Jack. Oh, missed him. Oh, tingle, don't let it get tingled. Okay, ready? Come on right now. Oh, okay, it's okay. Man, this hook. He's gonna run. Oh, it's okay. He's healthy right now. Right. Ooh. No. All right. Yeah. Oh. Woo. just see that one. And there was an order for this one. Check that out there. Pretty good. That was absolutely insane. He came, he jumped at it right when it came out of the boat, like right out of the water, I mean. And I just looked at Nick and looked at Jarek and told him, man, it was right at the boat. And I dropped it down and he hit it again, man. Couldn't believe we got it. 26 inch or so, I don't know, 27. Good. Woo! All right. Yeah. Release, huh? Oh. All right. Right at the boat, man. Right at the boat, and barely just whipped it off. Right at the boat. Oh. Whew. Keep it. Oh, what happened? Oh, Jack, you got it. Got the net. Yeah. Still got it. Got it? Jack's on one. Good jerk. Take your time. Well, take your time. Here it goes. Woo! Jump right in. Pretty good. Bye. Woo, that was it. Pretty good day. I don't know. Jared, good day?
Yeah, kind of lot.
Nick? Yeah, good day? Yeah. That's right, guys. It was a good day out here at O'Neill Forebay. Pretty fun. Biggest action was on the Megabass 110+1. Pretty good fun. Nick was killing it on the flukes. Just trying to do what we can do out here, having some good times. Hey guys, any day chasing is a good day. All right, if you can, please like and subscribe. I appreciate the support. Till next time, guys, the chase is on. Boom!